Welcome to Matlock Bath, a unique village in the heart of Derbyshire. Imagine a place that looks like a British seaside town, but without the sea, where cliffs rise above the river and the air smells of fish and chips and warm pastries, where Victorian romance meets biker culture and ancient caves still hold their secrets. This is Matlock Bath, a small village tucked away in the hills of Derbyshire's Peak District. A place you may have never heard of, but one you'll never forget once you've been. Let's begin with the ascent. The heights of Abraham lift us above the valley, toward the caves where miners once carved tunnels into the earth. You can still feel the breath of history here. Step into the darkness where they worked by lantern light. And some say, their footsteps can still be heard. But Matlock Bath isn't only about the past, it's full of life. Street food scents drift through the air. Classic British fish and chips, hot waffles, proper tea. On weekends, the streets come alive with the roar of motorcycles from across the country. That rumble, that's part of the charm. And in autumn, something truly magical happens. Matlock Bath Illuminations. Boats covered in lights drift along the river like floating fairy tales. Reflections shimmer in the water, fireworks burst above, and for a moment you feel like you've stepped into a dream. Matlock Bath is more than just a village. It's a journey through time, where nature, history, and wonder all meet in one spot. If you're searching for an England that's unlike any postcard, you've just found it.